rooster loves a hen, like a lion loves his den, like Barbie loves Ken. I love to do things that begin with SN. For example, I love to sneeze. Pardon me, please. I like to sniffle, it really feels nice. One handkerchief'll just never suffice. But brother, watch out for the breeze when I sneeze. I love to sniff. Just take a whiff. I also like snarling, it feels good to me. Snarling is darling, I'm sure you'll agree. But I'm even happier if I can sniff and sneeze. I love to snore. It's more like a roar. I like to snooze, I like resting my head. I take off my shoes and I snuggle in bed. Sometimes I just lie on the floor and snore and sniff and sneeze. Sometimes I just like to snicker, tee-hee, or snub any snob who is snotty to me. And whenever I have a few moments to spend, I can snoop on a neighbor or snitch on a friend. But much more than any of these, I love to snore and to sniff and to sneeze.